within minutes of my boss telling me that she'd never had a chocolate ripple cake. Are you crazy? This one's for you, Sarah, and also for Maddie, who had not had a chocolate ripple cake when I made it for my birthday. I'm going to tell you how to make it. All of you are like, of course everyone's had a chocolate ripple cake. Apparently not. So you need super thick whipped cream, right? It's got to be like this thick. Look, that's how you test it. Ooh, super thick. I put a little bit of vanilla in my cream. That's going to be your base. Then you take your amazing Food Bank spatula, $19.95, Minimax, 100% of proceeds go to people doing it tough this Christmas. And then you just start building the deliciousness of a chocolate ripple cake. Just like this. Kids can do this. You must have it. Christmas is coming. It is Christmas. All right, so you just build it like you're building a house. The biscuit is the brick and the cream is the mortar. And you just whack it one after the other. I mean, I can't believe I'm telling you how to do this because I really thought everyone had done it. Then you just smush the cream all over it like that, neaten it up a bit. And then you're going to wrap it in foil. It. And then all the hard work is done in the fridge.